Well, we're trying to interview Eric, but he's super busy, as you see.
So I'll
See how
worry about
busy?
it for now. How we doing?
How
we
busy
doing?
he
All right,
is.
I'm back.
We've been live for
I'm
5
sorry.
minutes on NBC.
All right, what are we gonna do? Fox News? We're doing Perdido Key News right here. Eric Hansen, Beach Billy, Josh Brown.
Now we're just doing a cool video to talk about your first annual Jambalaya Cookoff here. Or what's the correct name of it?
The inaugural Hansen Team Jambalaya Cookoff here in downtown Pensacola. That's it.
I love it, man. What got you the inspiration to want to do this, buddy?
Actually, we're doing a marketing campaign all year long, and so the team members chose for Mardi Gras, out of nowhere, a Jambalaya Cookoff, and it kind of just sparked from there. I wasn't even in that meeting. I was told later that we were doing a Jambalaya Cookoff. So it was spawned just by a great idea for Mardi Gras. Have some fun.
And from your awesome team, correct?
Absolutely, yep. So the team is the ones who set it up. My wife, Angie, and Jake and Ashlyn. Shout out to them for putting this together.
We're about to judge some jambalaya and the first ever Hansen Team Jambalaya Cookoff. We have 7 teams that are competing for this championship. I know I've ate so much of this stuff, I can just look at it and tell you. Jonesing. This one's good. I'm gonna try it with the sauce to see. They look at us and tell we can eat, but this guy's a professional. The only person really qualified to be doing this is this guy right here. The rest of us, they just called several people and they turned them down, and me and Chad was like, yeah, we'll do it. This guy's like a legit chef, and the rest of us was like, yeah, we ain't got nothing to do. So you're gonna be doing this next year, right?
This is the inaugural. I have a feeling after the turnout, we're going to do it every year. So we will be back next year for sure. Dates to be determined.
But are y'all going to be doing more things like this throughout the year?
We actually have crawfish coming up in May. So you're going to come. This is not a judging event. This is just for fun. So hopefully Beach Billy and the crew can come enjoy some crawfish and sit up. Right here where we're standing is where we will be hosting the crawfish boil in May. I'll let you know when. Dates to be determined. And then you'll be at our VIP party in March. Just say yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so we got a VIP Hansen Team party, and the way you get to that is you got to be one of our referral partners, a client, a friend, somebody in our circle. So you got to be invited, VIP only.
Where are you doing this at?
Yeah, it's Seville Quarter.
Ooh.
Yep, every year. So it's a lot of fun. Hansen Team loves Beach Billy. We appreciate you. I asked if you would be a judge, and you said absolutely, not a problem, as long as the schedule was clear. So I appreciate you being here.
Anything for you, man.
Thank you.
Anything for you, dude, for real,
I
man.
got love for you.
I appreciate it.
Thank
Likewise.
you.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
You the man.
Hey, you the man.
Hansen Team out. Be good. We have Josh here. We have Chad Brillante and Chef Ed. Give it up for our celebrity judges. Give it up for our chefs. Anyway, I appreciate y'all cooking and taking the time and putting some love into it. And I'm going to step away and let somebody else announce the winners.
Okay, the People's Choice winner was Audra.
The third place is Tail Pinchers. Second place is Cajun Inspector.
House call from Baton Rouge.
All right, drum roll.